Welcome to the topic of inverse functions. You are given a function f(x) equals to 5x plus 8, and you are required to find f inverse x. So how do we find this inverse function? So first, we always let y equals to the inverse function we want to find. Now we want to find f inverse x, so we let y equals to f inverse x. Alright, this is the first step. Then we will bring the f inverse to the left hand side. When I move the inverse to the left hand side, it becomes f y equals to x. So always remember, when I move inverse to the left, it becomes a normal function. So what is fy? You are given fx is 5x plus 8. So if I want fy, what I have to do is just swap x with y. So here fx equals to 5x plus 8. So if I want fy, it is 5y plus 8. So we just copy right here, fy is 5y plus 8 equals to x. Now we have to make y as the subject, meaning y has to be on the left hand side, because our aim is to find f inverse x. So we will do the simple algebra. 5y equals to x minus 8, y equals to x minus 8 over 5. So what is y? Y is f inverse x. Therefore, f inverse x is x minus 8 over 5. This is your answer. So it's very simple if you remember and understand the steps to find inverse functions. So let's try another example. Alright, this is the second example. You are given a function fx equals to 3x minus 4, and you are asked to find f inverse x. So what we have to do is do the same steps like we did in the first example. So we let y equals to the inverse function we want to find. In this case is f inverse x. And we bring the f inverse to the left hand side. And when we bring the f inverse to the left hand side, it becomes a normal f. Y equals to x. So what is fy? You have fx equals to 3x minus 4. So if I want fy, just swap x with y. So 3x minus 4 becomes 3y minus 4 equals to x. Now I have to make y as the subject, because I let y equals to f inverse x. So 3y equals to x plus 4, y equals to x plus 4 over 3. So since I let y equals to f inverse x, therefore f inverse x is x plus 4 over 3. So this is your answer. So it's very simple. You just have to remember the steps and you can solve this kind of questions. So I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching.